people, good morning. This is Shrestha and you're watching the Buried Butterfly. First of all, I'm so sorry for not being able to be at my happy place, not being able to upload videos, and the one and only reason for that is my final year exam, which is going to happen from 1st October. For that I am taking a break because you know how much it takes to shoot a video and edit it, and I don't want to give that much time right now on making videos than studying. So my concentration, my full focus is on my studies right now, but after my exams I'll be back for sure. I didn't have a plan to shoot this video as well, but you know my life has been a mess these days due to exams. Although I am trying to live a healthy lifestyle, as you already know from my previous video. In case you haven't watched it, the link is in the description box, so please go watch out. I am living that lifestyle, but few things have been changed. Like I have not taken care of myself that much. I have not cleaned my face properly. I have not washed my hair. I'm not even taking shower properly these days because I don't have that much time to invest on these things. So I'm just focusing on my studies. I don't know what I'm doing, but I did because yeah, I had to do it. So I noted down a few things that I would do today. That means Sunday, not Monday. Technically it's Monday for you because I'm uploading this video tomorrow, but I'm shooting today as it is self-care Sunday. So I thought why not to film this just to share with you guys. The first task of today is to make breakfast, which I have decided to do. The main reason behind that, my mom is not letting me do anything these days due to my exams obviously. So I am not doing anything. Anything means anything. So I have decided to make breakfast, starting with the breakfast. It's good for you. You know, a change is good for your mind, your health. Obviously it makes you relaxed, it makes you calm, cheerful. So I'm just taking a break basically today from my studies and from my messed up life a bit. So stay with me, stay connected, and keep on watching the video. Before going to make my breakfast, I am having these choles or kabuli chanas or chickpeas, whatever you wanna call. They are good in weight loss because they contain rich protein and fiber. Protein satiates the hunger, and the fiber keeps you fuller for longer. For Sunday breakfast, I am making roti and ghugni, which I have already shown in my previous vlogs. I have the vlogs link in the description box, and the card is here. So if you want to check out the recipe, you can check out. So I'm not giving the full recipe here. It looks delicious, isn't it? Yeah. And I am garnishing the ghugni with roasted spices, lemon, and some onions. I'm taking a little bit of onions because I don't like onions. So yeah, that's my breakfast for today. Finally my breakfast is done, and as I told you, it was really amazing. I should pat myself. Yeah, okay, so now I'm going to pamper myself a bit with this Incaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. It comes with this wooden spoon, as you can see. It's a very popular and worth try on product from Incaffeine. And you know, as you can see that I have opened the seal yet because I didn't use it. So today I'll be using this product for the first time, and I will share the review like how I would feel after using this product. So keep on watching the video, sticking with me to know more about this product. You can see the texture of this product. It's so beautiful. It actually looks like and smells like real coffee. And now I'll show you how to use this product. So sprinkle some water on your legs and hands. Take a generous amount of the body, scrub with the wooden spoon that comes with the product, and then gently scrub in a circular motion for a few minutes, focusing more on the elbows and necks, elbows, neck, and knees. Sorry. but keep one thing in your mind, that don't over exfoliate, otherwise your skin will get fine lines and wrinkles, and I bet you don't want that. So use it, scrub it gently. It actually exfoliates the dead cells, helps you to get rid of tan, and gives you a buttery glow. And who doesn't love buttery glow on their body? I so love that too much. I know everybody does. Okay, wait. I know what you're going to ask. Yeah, I know. You can use this product after applying this soap, and for a better result, try to use it for twice a week and use a hand cream or body butter along with this product. Finally, my body scrubbing is done and I feel freaking tired. I have to go for shower as I have oil in my hair, so I'll use shampoo. So see you after taking shower. Finally, I'm back from shower. I feel so fresh, and yeah, I know I've got dark circles again. You know, the exam pressure, stress, and the result is here. But this exam's over, and I'll be back in my form again. I have to get rid of again. Oh, I hate this. Okay, so now I'll give you the review. Okay, let me first apply this aloe vera gel. Currently, I'm only using aloe vera gel as moisturizer in the morning because I think it's perfect. Aloe vera gel is always perfect and it always works. When coming back to the review of this MCafe, so this is the first ever body scrub I am using. I haven't used any kind of body scrub before, and this body scrub, hey, haven't you subscribed my channel yet? What are you waiting for an invitation? Go and subscribe my channel, otherwise I'll come and disturb like this. Is wow, it's like damn, my leg pieces and hands never felt this much soft before. Trust me, I feel so soft. Like unlike face scrub, it doesn't it have tendency to make the skin dry, and I feel so good. One thing to keep in mind, this scrub doesn't have mild scrub, so when you are scrubbing your legs and hands, be gentle, otherwise your skin will get some wrinkles and something like that, because our skin is like a paper, so be gentle. It may have a creamy feeling, but after scrubbing you should apply some lotion or cream if you're feeling like scrubbing. After scrubbing you need some moisturizer to moisturize the skin, otherwise your skin will get some wrinkles, as I said. So I'm using this MCafe Naked and Raw Coffee hand cream. It's only a hand cream, but I will apply it as a body cream as well because I don't have the body butter, so I'll use this hand cream. As you can see, I haven't opened the seal of this hand cream also. Look at the texture. Isn't it so good? And it has a luxurious finish. My goodness guys, this scrub and this hand cream feels so buttery. I feel that I have used butter on my body. Trust me, it's amazing. MCafe, you have my heart, and it's worth buying. And the price of the hand cream, I'm telling you, it's for ₹325, 50 ml, and the coffee body scrub, I think that was 300 ml, and 550 was the price, I guess. 449 or 450, sorry, 450, 449, yeah, something. I'll give the price in the screen. Okay, so do check out, and I'll give the link of the products in the description box, so please do check out. And you should buy MCafe, these two products from MCafe, because I love it. I love these two more than the night gel. So the body scrubbing and all, everything is done. I feel so good. I just can't get over it. It feels so good and smells so good. I just want to kiss my hands and legs again and again. Please excuse that, it's very cringe. Okay, so right now I'm just thinking to create a makeup look, which I haven't done for a long time. So I'll create some makeup look, I'll create a makeup look and click some pictures as well, and then I'll upload on Instagram. Yay! Okay, so if you want to watch the pictures and everything, then please do follow me on Instagram. Don't forget it, bro. You guys always forget to follow me on Instagram. Yeah, yaar, kar dena follow. Now I'll go and search for outfit which I'm going to put on, and then I'll create the makeup look. So let's see what happens next. So this is the final look. As you can see, I tried to do a quirky, bold makeup eye look, which I didn't like it. And yeah, and now I'm going to click some pictures. What a cool weather, guys. Okay, so a quick update. I finished my lunch, I removed my makeup and did my skincare thing. Okay, and I didn't shoot because I have a skincare routine video on my Instagram. So if you want to check it out, the link is in the description box. So do check it out. Okay, and I didn't want to repeat the whole process, so I just skipped it. Now I'll jump directly into the next part, which is I am getting my nails done. That means I'm just putting on some other nail colors. As you can see that my nails and nail polish are quite messed up, so I'll just put on these two shades. These are not the dark shades, trust me, my camera sucks, but this is from TS Beauty in the shade Sweet Ocean, not matte nail polish, FYI. And it's Sweet Ocean. It's pastel light blue, and this is from Maybelline Color Show in the shade Orange Pix. So I'm gonna wear these. So before putting on the colors, I'll just cut my nails because, as I told, that my nails are quite messed up right now. So I'm just cutting my nails and then I'll apply the nail polish. So this was the last one of Self-Care Sunday. I hope you loved it. I know it's Monday, you have a lot of work to do, but I hope this video gives you good vibes and you feel chillaxed. I just wish you a good day, and yeah, if you like this video, then hit the like button, share with everyone, and see you in the next video, which is after October, I guess, after my exam. So till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, and live gorgeous.